Guys, hindi ako makamove on sa Book of Daniel. And I feel the need to share this with you because I was wondering with some of the happenings or the events in the fiery furnace thing ni na Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. So when I was in church lang before and I was attending the Vacation Bible School, I was thinking of these questions. Sino ba tong tatlong taong to? Sina Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Saan ba sila galing? And why were they in the kingdom of King Nebuchadnezzar? Diba? And since this happened at the time of Daniel, bakit silang tatlo lang yung na-throw sa furnace? Bakit hindi kasama si Daniel? Does it mean that Daniel bowed down to the golden image? So, ito na nasagot ko na siya. Because I'm done with the book of Daniel and ito na i-share ko na siya sa inyo. So first, alam niyo ba that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego are not their real names? Itong mga taong to ay sina Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah. Naging Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego lang yun because the master of the eunuchs gave them those names. Kahit si Daniel, may iba siyang pangalan pero he is famous sa name na Daniel. Ironic lang kasi bakit yung tatlo is na kilala sa names na Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego na bigay lang ng eunuchs na hindi naman yun yung true names nila. But then, that's not the point. So, who are these people? Sila ay mga Jews. They are Israelites. And the time of King Nebuchadnezzar, he asked the master of the eunuchs or the princess of the eunuchs to search for people that are well-favored, yung skillful in wisdom, cunning in knowledge, yung without blemish, and may understanding of science. So, ibig sabihin, itong tatlong to ay bonggang-bongga sa mga Israelites. And actually, four sila. Siyempre si Daniel kasama doon. Kasi, di ba, super din ang personality ni Daniel. So, itong si King Nebuchadnezzar, he requested from all of the groups na sakop niya. So, from the princes, the eunuchs, the Israelites, and the Chaldeans, naghanap sila doon. And ito nga sa mga Jews ay may apat na nakuha, which are Daniel, Azariah, Hananiah, and Mishael. Ang ginawa sa kanila, they were parang, alam mo yun, yung dahil chosen sila, dinala sila sa kingdom and pinapakain sila ng masasarap na meat so that they have the parang capability or parang karapat-dapat sila na mag-stand sa palace. But then, itong si Daniel, ayaw niyang kumain ng meat ng king kasi nga madedefile daw siya. And yun yung unang ipinakita ni Daniel, nakakaiba siya sa lahat. So, that's the answer to the first question that who are these people? So, yun nga, si Hananiah is Shadrach, and si Azariah is Abednego, and Meshach is Mishael. And by the way guys, si Daniel ay binigyan ng pangalang Belshazzar. Silang apat ay mga Jews na napili para i-groom sa palace para in time ay mag-teach ng mga learnings sa mga Chaldeans. Then, why were they thrown in the furnace? Kasi Ang nangyari was, si King Nebuchadnezzar built an image, a golden image. Tapos sabi niya is, lahat ng mga tao ay dapat mag-worship sa golden image na to. But then, of course, these 4 people, sina Daniel and the 3, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, did not worship the image. Ang sabi nila is, God will protect them kahit na itapon sila sa furnace. But then, if God didn't do that, they will still not worship the golden image. So, itong si King Nebuchadnezzar, wala siyang choice, talagang gusto niyang i-throw sa furnace itong 3. So, when these 3 people were thrown to the furnace kasi nga hindi sila nag-bow down sa golden image that King Nebuchadnezzar built, where was Daniel? So, si Daniel pala is nasa other location. Daniel was at the gate of the kingdom. Pag sinabi mong gate of kingdom, it refers to parang it's a place where the courts were held and yung mga public businesses were transacted. So wala siya doon sa location where the people were asked to worship the golden image. Kaya 3 lang yung, or 3 silang, sina Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego lang yung nandoon. Diba? Nakakatuwa. So, naliwanagan na ako. Hindi nag-bow down si Daniel sa golden image. And given naman, diba? Sa sobrang pagka-righteous ni Daniel, impossible naman talaga that he will worship an idol, diba? Yun lang. So, thank you po for watching!